working on a 2006 Yamaha Attack 4-stroke 1000. This plug was really nasty, so I've been cleaning that out. You can see some of the corrosion still in there. It's still green. And try to clean that out as well. So it'll turn over, but it won't fire. Had the battery charger on all last night without the wires hooked up. Figured I'd let the whole system drain and get the battery topped off. Still haven't tried that yet. I'm just going through a few other things before I do. Here's some of those ground blocks that I've already taken off. Here's an original one. I'm not sure if this is a ground because they're not black wires, whereas this one and this one, which is brown, the brown and black are supposed to be your grounds. But there is a lot of other similar pieces that look like the ground blocks. Here's another one, but they have color. See, this one's like red underneath. They have color wires, not black or brown wires. So I didn't want to cut those, not knowing if they were grounds or a bunch of power wires. I noticed there was some connections from the factory after cutting into this. They all looked fairly good, other than maybe a little corrosion. But I just found that weird. Same with this one. This one goes into the computer. I obviously took that one apart. I didn't like the way that one looked. The rest of them were okay. So I got to retie all these wires back together. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. Cleaning up, spinning wires together, taping them, and then I'll give it a start and see if anything changed. I'm also getting a bunch of codes, 11, 13, 15 I think, 20, 22, 43, and the 84 for the Toros. But you can hold the throttle just right, and you can get rid of the 84, so it'll like pick up that you're fixing stuff, but it'll also send more codes or different codes, and a lot of those same codes say low voltage. So I'm either thinking stator, battery, something to do with the electrical system. If anybody's dealt with similar problems on any of these Apex or 4-stroke 1000 motors, I'm pretty sure they're all the same. Drop a comment, let me know what the issue was, how you fixed it, and things like that. I'm trying to get this thing fixed. I'm pretty stumped. If I don't get it today, all I can do is reach out to other people to try to figure it out rather than buy parts that might not need to be replaced. So let me know. Thank you.